This is CS50 AI Project 5 traffic.py. As you can see, we are using the big data set and we're telling the program to save the model to model.h5. These errors are normal because I don't have an NVIDIA GPU, so we can ignore it. Here we can see that the model starts training and accuracy increases with each epoch. We are using a convolutional neural network with 4 layers, and the last layer is a dense layer for the output. We have a dropout of 0.43 and a flutter. We have to wait until the models trains. Okay, so now that the model finished, we have an accuracy of 0.9797, so pretty good accuracy. And you can see that we have a model.h5 file in which the model was saved.